Want to know what daily operation look like at a fulfillment and sourcing company? Let's peek inside our Shenzhen team to find more. Here is our purchasing team that handles all of your sourcing needs. They connect you with over 2,000 suppliers and secure the best deals in 24 to 48 hours. The customer service team is where all the concerns are addressed and the inquiries are solved. If you need updates about inventory, advice on shipping, anything else, they are here for you. Now we move to the logistics department that oversees our freight services. They arrange transportation, track shipments, and coordinate with our USA warehouses. In the USA, we have warehouses in Nevada and Pennsylvania. We have shipped millions of orders and are looking to ship even more this year. Packages are stocking up as the team prepares for the peak season. Now, back to China. We don't just work hard, we play hard too. And here is our table tennis, where we keep our energy high and our team spirit strong. Our 45,000 square foot warehouse is where all the fulfillment magic happens. Your products arrive here from the suppliers and then get processed and then get ready for their next journey. No flawless operation is complete without flawless quality control. And here we do it all in-house. Our QC team checks your products before they leave China. We ensure low defect rates, replace faulty products at zero cost, and document everything to keep you posted. Now it's time to meet our fulfillment team that picks, packs, and ships your products. As the last step of the ordering process, we prepare orders to be delivered anywhere around the world. More than 171 countries have received the products from this warehouse. Well, yeah, that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and updates.